Good morning, children. So now today we are going to learn about the percentage of profit and loss. So why it is needed? Only profit and loss is enough. Why we have to find the percentage of that? For example, now what I will do? Now one boy is went to the shop, and then shopkeeper in a one shop, what he has done? He paid 20 rupees and he bought the 10 chocolates. Okay, and the shopkeeper, what has done? Shopkeeper has bought those chocolates from the one of the shop. He paid 10 rupees and he bought the 10 chocolates. And he sold it, how much? For 20 rupees. In another shop, what happened? In another shop, that shopkeeper, he bought that same 10 chocolates for 30 rupees and 20 rupees and he sell it for the 30 rupees. If you see here, both are getting the rupees 10 rupees as a profit. Both the shopkeepers are getting the 10 rupees as a profit. But both are they getting the same percentage of profit? No. So to compare the such things, for example, in your book also they are given. Here cornflakes cost rupees 33 a packet and they are selling it for 44 rupees. In the same way, wheat flakes the cost is 44 rupees but they are selling it for 55 rupees. So here both the places both the products earn the profit of how much? Rupees 11. So are they equal? They are equal? Then no. So in such situations, to compare the marks of the two students but the total marks are different, then such situation we have to find the percentage of it to compare. Why we will use the percentage? Means percent. Percent means for 100. So we will convert both the numbers to the 100 and then we can compare it. Okay. So we need to convert to the percentage. So we have to find the profit percentage and the loss percentage. So the formula for it is profit percentage is profit divided by cost price into 100, and for loss percentage is loss divided by cost price into 100. These are the two formulas we have to use to find the percentage of the profit or the loss. So now here there are one given example is here. A water pump is sold for rupees the 15,327. So here what is the cost sold? That is the selling price. So that is how much? Rupees 15,327 rupees. At a loss percentage is given here. How much? 10% is given. Okay, what is the cost price? So what we have to find? We have to find the cost price. Here we have to find the cost price. So how to do that? So we have to find the cost price. So what I will do first, they are given the selling price here and the loss is given. So what I will do, I will take it for 100 first. Okay, if the cost price is 100, okay, then the selling price is how much it will be? The selling price is 100. Loss is happened. The selling price will be 90 rupees. Correct? Okay, 90 rupees it will be. Means if selling price is 90, cost price is 100. If selling price is this one, 15,327, so then the cost price is what will happen? 100 divided by 90 unitary method into 15,327. So if you do like this, if you do the cancellation and all, you will get the answer. Okay. So let us solve here now. Okay, 3 3s are 3 5s are 1s are 0 3 9s are. Okay, 10 15. Okay, again 3 1s are 21, 7s are 21, 0 3s are. So here 10 is there, so 1 more 0 will come. So the answer is 117,030 like this. So this is for the cost price of that item. Okay. So now let us take the another example here. A car is bought for rupees 2,84,000 and sold at a profit of 12.5%. What is the selling price? So here, what is the selling price they are asking now? In the same pattern, but they are given here profit and they are given the cost price instead of and they are asking for the selling price. Okay. So here, cost price is rupees 2,84,000. Okay, and we have to find the selling price. And the profit percentage is how much? 12.5%. So it becomes, we should convert that into mixed. 12 2 is 24 plus 1, 25 by 2. Okay. Otherwise, we can write it as a 12.5 also. Okay. So if I write like this, 12 rupee 55. So I can write like that. Okay. So now, if cost price is 100, then selling price is, adding this profit means 112 rupee 50 paisa. Okay. If cost price is this one 2,84,000 is there, then selling price is this amount 1120 divided by 100 into this amount, that is 2,84,000. If you do the cancellation, you will get the answer. 2020 multiply and you will get the answer. Okay, so this is how you have to solve. See here, one more is there here. By selling red grams for rupees 2,225 a kg, a profit of 12.5% is made. Find the cost price. What should be the selling price be to get a profit of 25%? So here he made 12.5% profit by selling for rupees 225. But if you want 25% profit, then what will be the selling price? So that is the second question here. Okay, so in the same pattern they are given here in the example also. In the same pattern you have to solve the exercise 8.5. Thank you children.